How can I remove Family Link without parent permission?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to remove Family Link without parent permission. Family Link is a parental control app developed by Google that allows parents to monitor and manage their children's digital activities on Android devices. However, there may be situations where you want to remove Family Link without needing your parents' permission. Let's dive into the steps you can take to accomplish that.
Check for administrator access.
The first step is to check if you have administrator access on your device. To do this, go to your device's settings and look for the Security or Lock Screen and Security option. Tap on it and then navigate to Device Administrators or a similar option. Here, you will see a list of apps with administrator access.
Remove Family Link as device administrator.
In this section, we'll focus on removing Family Link as a device administrator. Scroll through the list of apps with administrator access and locate Family Link. Once you find it, uncheck the box next to it to revoke its administrator privileges. A confirmation prompt may appear, and you can go ahead and confirm the action to remove Family Link as a device administrator.
Disable Family Link.
Now that we have removed Family Link as a device administrator, we can proceed to disable the app. Head back to the main settings menu and look for Apps or Applications. Tap on it and then search for Family Link in the list of installed apps. Once you find it, tap on it to access its settings.
Uninstall Family Link.
In this final section, we'll focus on uninstalling the Family Link app from your device. Within the Family Link settings, you should see an option that says Uninstall or Disable. Tap on it, and if prompted for confirmation, go ahead and confirm the action. This will remove the Family Link app from your device. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to remove Family Link from your device without requiring your parents' permission. It's important to note that while these steps can remove the app, it's crucial to respect your parents' concerns and have an open conversation with them about your digital activities. If you encounter any difficulties during the process, it's always a good idea to seek assistance from a trusted adult or contact Google support for further guidance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful to you.